I'll do the butt connector.
Plenty of length. Darn it. Kinda wish I had one of my knives on me. Oh.
Oh, these might be the heat shrink time. I might be able to heat that up.
It looks like it. It looks like it, at least.
So if I do it this way, I do it down there. Wire can go in there. So I can go right there. Cut it. Strip out just a tad bit. Maybe more than that. That might be good.
Hopefully it doesn't get tangled up into something because how long that cape wire is. Okay. At least I have a new oil pressure sensor. Just connect your oil pressure connector. And sucks that neither of our scan tools work on it. They're struck for some reason. So we won't be able to clear the code.
Oh, that's not a code, it's just a light.
So the light will go away, luckily. With the oil pressure connector replaced. I think you, like you said, you may be able to heat it up and get it to shrink on. I don't know though.
I'm not sure.
Because I know sometimes you can do those with those types of butt connectors. At least new oil pressure connector on it and we'll be good.
Open up. I'm just going to let that ride for now. And just see if it goes on.
Oil pressure light went away?
Yep.
That was good. Now we're done.
Stick that in there somehow.
On the wire loom. If we had extra wire loom, we could zip tie extra wire loom onto the loom that's there to protect it. You don't see about possibly going to get some so then we can have it protected? Okay. I mean, at least some of it will be protected. Hopefully with the heat it doesn't screw up the wires. Should be good.
Now I can route this like that. That'll be good.
Yay, got that done.